Hey everybody, I want to welcome y'all back to my channel. This video I will be doing this gorgeous, as you can see, gorgeous makeup tutorial while using the new Revolution Makeup Rose Quartz Aura collection. I'll be letting you know my thoughts about the three items as I go. The Rose Quartz palette, very beautiful assortment of shades there. The Energy Fix Quartz spray with crystals in it, and the Crystal Aura lip oil, and that has crystals in it as well. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, that is the NYX eyeshadow base. I will be applying that all over my lids. I'm setting that base with some powder. This one I'm using is the Mercier setting powder, and that's just going to be applied all over my lids. This light beige shade named Soulmate will be applied right underneath my eyebrows for my transition shade. This shade called Support, this light brown will go underneath my transition shade, and then I will softly blend them both together. Now this bright coral shade called Energy, that's going to be applied above your outer corners. So right where you feel your brow bone, that's where you're going to be applying that. And then you want to go ahead and blend everything out. The shades Joy and Empathy will be blended in together in the outer corners and into your crease. And then you're just going to want to blend all of that out. I'm using this bright shimmery shade called Gentle that's going to be applied all over my lids. So I will let y'all know that this palette really gave what it needed to give. The shimmers were very vibrant and bold, and the mattes were very easy to blend together. There was nothing cheap looking about this eyeshadow. Very nice quality, and yeah, I'm very pleased with this. Very pleased. So I wanted to add a little pink shimmer on top of that lid. So I'm going on and applying Karen all over that lid. And then afterwards I will blend everything out. Remember y'all, blending is key. Blend. Every shade you add on to your lids, you want to blend afterwards. I'm using Fenty Beauty's primer to prime my face. I'm going to be applying that all over. That is Ciat'e's Extraordinary Foundation. I believe that's in the shade called Pecan. I'm going to be applying that with my damp beauty blender. An even amount all over my face. That there is e.l.f.'s concealer, and the shade will be listed down below. That's going to be applied on my chin, under my nose, under my eyes, and in the middle of my 5 heads, y'all. And then with that same damp beauty blender, I'm going to be make sure I'm blending all of that out. going back in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm going to be setting where I applied that e.l.f. concealer. Right there is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. That's going to be applied around my head, my jawline, and my cheekbones. I'm going to be blending that all out with my damn beauty blender. And that's ColourGirl's bronzer powder, Moonlight Beach. I'm going to use that to set the LA Girls concealer. The lighter concealer down the bridge and the side of my nostrils, and the darker one on the sides of that bridge. And then I'm just going to be carefully blending all that out. Now I'm going to be setting them concealers with the same powders I used for my face. Now I'm going to make sure I just blend on everything on that. That's my all-time favorite Milani blush in the shade Red Vino. I'm going to be applying that on the apples of my cheeks. Going back in my palette with the shade Joy, I'll be applying that on my lower lash lines. And that shade Confidence, that shimmery champagne, will be applied in my tear ducts. The Laura Geller highlight will be applied above my blush, on the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose. So I wanted my lower lash lines to appear a little darker, so I went back and applied Empathy to create that shade that I desired. Some mascara from my bottom lashes. This is Lime Crime lip color in the shade called Luna. That's going to be applied on my lips. And then that's the lip pencil by Colourpop. The name will be down below. And I'll be using a Q-tip to kind of blend those together. So you guys, I do love the lip oil. I've been wearing this alone as well, and it is very moisturizing with vitamin E, and it has an earthy smell to it, which I love. Okay guys, so I really wanted to love this stuff because, you know, I'm a crystal girl, you know, but honestly, it made my makeup oily looking afterwards. It just wasn't, I wasn't feeling it. I had to put powder on afterwards. It just, I just have to give this a thumbs down. Alrighty y'all, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Look at me feeling myself. Look at me. I'm sick of me. Look at that. But y'all, I had fun doing this. So I guess 2 out of 3. I'll waste my money so you don't have to. Alright? Hope y'all liked these positive vibes. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.